Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning. Today we will discuss Lost Child. The Lost Child from Moments, and it is written by Mulkraj Anand. So first we'll discuss the introduction of the chapter. This chapter is all about a child who is very small and who gets lost in a fair. He had gone with his parents to the fair, but loses them when he gets engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with his parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. Once he loses them, he is picked up by a stranger. The stranger tries to quieten the child by offering him all the things that he had demanded from his parents. But the child does not want them anymore. He wants his parents first. Now, when we'll discuss about the chapter theme, this story really concentrates on the universality of a child's desire for everything. It is a short story about a child, his aspiration, demands, and realization. The story is mainly focused on the awareness of parents. The message is we really don't understand the true value of parents, isn't it, students? And take them as a granted. The significance of parents is only revealed once they are out of sight and we realize the world is upside down. That is what the little child realized once he got lost in a fair. The ending is emotional as the reader keeps on guessing whether the lost child would have finally found his parents or not. So, before moving to the summary, students will discuss about the character of the story. What are the character sketch of the story? So, in this story, the lost child, the author has to explore the mind of a child. The story also highlights a child's love for his parents. The child goes to a fair with his parents. He is very excited and wants sweets and toys displayed there. His parents don't buy these things for him, but very soon he gets separated from his parents as he is left behind looking at various toys and other things. When he realizes that his parents are nowhere near him, he starts crying unconsolably. He refuses everything which is offered by others. He only wants his parents and keeps crying. And students, when we'll talk about the characters in this story, mainly there are three characters. First one is the lost child. He is the central character who gets fascinated with the items at the village spring fair and loses contact with his parents. He becomes heartbroken, loses interest in everything and cries for his parents. Second one, the parents, they keep on asking the child to remain with them but are careless enough to lose him at the fair. And the last one, the stranger, the person who found him, is a very helpful person who tries to distract the child by offering him many things but fails. Now, student will discuss about a summary of the chapter. In this chapter, so first we'll discuss it was the festival of spring and everyone was in a very happy, very gay mood, very enjoyable mood. They are going to fair and the child is also going to the fair with his parents. He is very happy and excited. On the way to the fair, the child enjoys every moment and gets fascinated towards natural beauty. In the fair, the child is attracted towards sweets and toys displayed in the shops. He feels attracted towards the garland of gulmohar and the delicious gulab jamuns. But his parents resist from anything for him. The child wants and the child wants to play, climb trees, catch the dragonflies and the butterflies. But again, his parents won't let him to do any of this. The child sees snake charmer and he likes music played by the charmer and wants to stay there for some time. But his parents do not allow him. As the child moves on with his parents, he sees a roundabout. Then he says, I want to go. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, please, father, please, mother. He is urging to his parents. After requesting his parents boldly for a roundabout, the child turns back. But to his surprise, there was no sign of his parents. He searches for his parents here and there, but the child realizes that he is now separated from his parents, and he starts crying bitterly. He is crying. Now, there is a big crowd, and the little child tries to make his way between the feet of people. After hearing the cry of the child, a gentleman lends a helping hand to him. The gentleman offers goodies and joyrides in order to console the child, but the child will have none of them. Instead, he longs to meet his parents. So, this was the story, students. Now, if we'll see the highlights of the chapter, here is the highlight. It was in the story. It was the village spring fair, and the child goes to the fair with his parents. On this way to the fair, the child is lagging behind his parents, as I have told you earlier, because of the various restrictions on the way. They have to keep on telling him to catch up with them. And the fair, the child gets addicted to sweets, toys, and flowers, garlands put up for sale. But he does not dare ask his parents for any of this because he knows that they will refuse. Then he sees a roundabout on which people are riding and boldly requests to go on it. Not receiving a reply, he looks back to find that his parents are not there. He is lost. After hurriedly searching at many places, he realizes that he has been separated from them. He starts crying loudly. Now a kind man sees him. He was a kind and he was a stranger man, but when he sees him, he realizes the child's plight, offers him the things he was attracted to earlier. However, the child refuses everything and wants only his parents. Thus, the story ends. So, students, it was the story of the lost child who realizes his parents' importance, and I hope you got the story. So, here are some questions from the chapter only and out of the chapter also. So, here are some questions beyond the chapters. Here are some hot, some value-based questions. I hope you will do the questions. You got the story. Thank you so much, student.